spit fire out of his ass.
Elijah. The kids that you're my mom.
Hey, drop this part out. That's what they talk.
So this is Brenda, guys. Dude, you know I gained 12 pounds?
Did you know I just shitted 12 pounds?
Well, this is my outfit, guys. I have these on today. It looks like my foot's broken. What's the name? Loving me right. I can't breathe, guys. That's what these do to you. Right, Brenda? And like my eyelashes are gonna fly off, I swear, because it's so windy. You guys see that? Yeah, if you guys want to be my friends, or if you just want to be nice, and you can win my respect by doing that.
You can win someone's respect by being nice.
Yeah, bring me Starbucks early in the morning.
What the hell?
And bring me roses.
It sounds like you're talking about a guy, okay? So if you keep talking stupid, I'm gonna snipe you.
No, I'm talking to guys or girls.
Is gonna bring you roses. It's like me telling a nigga I'm gonna bring him roses. Who the hell is gonna? Why would I bring a guy roses?
But for guys, it's different. Why would you bring another guy roses?
I know, but who are you for someone to bring you roses?
I'm the queen.
What's so special about you?
Everything.
Explain.
Early in the mornings, I want venti white chocolate mocha hot with the bacon Gouda. Okay.
Yeah.
And then bring me some makeup from Too Faced. Yeah, because I'm a Too Faced.
Oh, can I have the keys to the car?
What?
Like that.
Well, I don't think you can have
Don't lose them and don't lock them.
They tryna see me in a cold nigga, they rather have me just bust so salary.
Like, damn. She goes to Alvarez and I go to Brenda. What I like about her is that she's really caring and she puts people before herself. And another thing is that she keeps me like, Elijah! She keeps me like walking a straight line. Like she tells me, you know, you need to do good in school, this and that, like, you know, we need to graduate, like, you know, she just always makes sure like, hi baby, that I'm doing good in life, you know. And she's always checking up on me. And she's always checking up on me. And we met in 7th grade. Yeah, 7th grade. Yeah, and anyway, so now you say what you like about me. Alright, and you gotta be honest.
That you're stingy. You're pretty.
Go. I want pretty. Alright.
No, let's talk about my mom.
So, first things first, I love her family. Oh, she loves my family.
Me more.
Okay, stop.
I don't know, she's just a friend I can rely on, I guess I can say, and
And also because, and then one of our other friends, she couldn't come because she didn't text me back, which is Rosalia. So out of me, Rosalia, and you, who is the worst? And you gotta be honest. Out of me, Rosalia, and you, who's the worst?
Yeah.
Okay, why is that? You know why? Okay, and who's out of me, Rosalia, and Brenda, the one that's like the good girl? Brenda. It's Brenda. Yup, everybody already knows that. I guess I'm basically the worst. I thought Rosalia was. Yeah, that's my biggest pet peeve, that she's a flaker. These ones are so good.
I would go hard to that song in the gym.
Sweet tarts.
Are we gonna play football or no?
Yeah, let's go for football. Let's put it in there. No.
Why?
I play football.
Okay, so
I go play football.
It's so boring, bro. She doesn't want
wait, we're not done. Hold on.
How is it gonna get up?
Oh,
She
okay.
never wants to play, huh? Never. How come Brenda wants to play and not you? You think you're too cute?
Why can't
I
I be
am.
with Brenda?
You're not.
Like Brenda, man.
Yeah, Brenda's ready to Hey, Brenda, if this is really going down, that's how you're scared.
Me scared?
Yup.
Okay. This is a serious question.
Huh?
What do you think?
All about.
What are you most worried about?
Why are you walking in front of me?
What are you most worried about if I go back to
You're
Alvarez?
gonna have to start drinking.
They're gonna fight every day?
You can drink when you're 18.
Now I'm gonna fight every day. So that's what you're
Crazy.
So that's what you're most worried about.
I'll pay.
I'm being like my sister. These are the best.
Of all the brothers I have
On
6
Tuesday,
brothers,
please
guys.
call me.
6 brothers. He's my favorite, but he's a little asshole.
6 brothers. You have 5 brothers.
Shit.
Oh no, wait, yeah, I do have 5 brothers. I meant
So
in my
retarded.
family there's 6 kids, like 6 of us. But yeah, I have 5 brothers and I'm the only girl. Yeah.
Yeah, we can't wait till she leaves. I'm gonna just leave you and like dip, and then you still be in school.
So yeah, guys, my eyelashes are like halfway off already. Just throw on like a little.
Or we could do the spicy noodle challenge on my birthday or what?
Oh yeah, we could do a spicy noodle challenge. You know what? You guys need to start commenting more because like,
I'm
yeah.
running out of ideas.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't yet, and hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video, and leave some comments down below. And in my other video, drop down like drop down questions that you guys want to know about me so I could do a Q&A, because I'm not going to do a Q&A until I have enough like, you know, questions to answer. No, what don't you like about me?
That
That what?
and you're not natural. You're not natural. You're not natural. Wait. 5 reasons.
Huh?
5 reasons.
Okay, what?
5.
What's the other reason?
Alright. So first one, not natural. Second one, not natural. Third one, not natural.
Okay, Elijah, be for real.
4th reason, not natural. And 5th reason, you're not like any of your friends. Your friends are nice. And like they're
up.
fun. Like
Straight up.
you
Yeah,
think you're too beautiful.
You're not fun like.
This is my little cutie pie right here.
Yeah.
I'm cute, but he doesn't love me, guys. He's a little asshole.
No, I am. I'm an asshole.
So I need some application. If you,
I got it. I gave it a crib. I robbed them.
I don't even call it rap. I'm talking shit.
You were willing to hit my talking shit.
Come on, let's go. Hey guys, so this is like got paired on, you know, just this little thing or whatever. And then I got my bike shorts on. Get it?